Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. Today we're gonna be starting a new series on another software. We just finished on the previous one, the 5-part video regarding open art. The software that we're gonna be using today is called Creatify. You can do a bunch of stuff in this software. As you're seeing in my screen right now, there are 3 options right here that says create your own avatar, create AI shorts, or you can create in batch mode. But there is a new tool as well. I'm gonna talk about it in a couple of seconds because this tool allows you to create different ad videos for products, and all in all it allows enterprises to create videos regarding their products and get better sales. As always, I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen a bit better. See you guys in the end. So this is the homepage of Creatify. What we're going to be checking out today is this option right here that says AI video ads, where you can turn any product URL into a video ad, as I was just telling you some seconds ago. I'm gonna click right here where it says create now. I've just logged in. There is a free version that you can use of this software. You have 10 credits for you to use on the free version, and this is the product that I'm gonna be using in this example for the tutorial. This is a Nintendo Switch. If we open the link, we can then just copy the URL, paste it right here. You can upload it manually, or you can analyze the URL using this option right here. I'm just gonna click that last one. The software is gonna take a couple of seconds to process all of the information in the product, and I'll show you what the software creates. So this is what the software does. First of all, we have the brand or the product name that is extracted from this post on Amazon. Then the product description that it also took from various elements on this Amazon webpage, and you see they are a bit more organized for you to understand. It's describing the video game console. It describes what it comes with. It includes this products, for example, another short description aiming at the design and the usage of the product all in all. On this part, we have some images that the software extracted from the product. We have these images right here on the Amazon listing, and those are the images that the software extracted right here. You can unselect or select pictures regarding the product itself. Right now, all of them are picked. You can unpick them using this little tick mark, and you can add more assets if you want to complement the video that you're gonna create. You can also toggle this option that says promotional info, and you could add, for example, what was the original price and what is the new promo price for the video to include that, and some promotion details. If we click on next, we can select some of the video settings if we want to post it on these different social media, for example, or if you want to change the aspect ratio. This is for short form, let's say, for Instagram, TikTok, or shorts on YouTube. This would be on a long format device, let's say a TV or a computer, and this would be a more square type of format. Right underneath, we can choose the duration of the ad. I'm gonna pick, first of all, 15 seconds. You can change the language of the video itself, and you can choose a target audience. Let's say that we want people between the ages of 25 and 35. You can add these tags as well, the ones that the software extracted from the product itself. It says Nintendo game fans, portable gaming enthusiasts, Mario franchise fans, and so on. I'm just gonna leave the one that I created, and I'm gonna click on next. Now the AI is gonna take a couple of seconds to generate the scripts. These are the 4 scripts that we can choose from that the AI created. We have the first one that says portable gaming, then a multiplayer magic, adult gaming, or easy setup. You can pick which scripts matches your product best, or you can use your own script if you write it right here. You could use, for example, another AI tool such as ChatGPT to write another script and then paste it here. If you do it like this, you can edit the pronunciation of the software as well. I'm just gonna choose from one script that the AI created. I think the first one is the one that matches what I want to show in the ad best. You can choose the tone of the video itself, and you could also generate more scripts with this option right here. I'm just gonna click on next. Right here, we can pick from different avatars that will explain the ad. We can have real looking people. We can have styled avatars as well. That are these ones. These are for the pro versions of the software. Or we could create our own avatar to import into an ad video. I'm gonna pick one of these persons. I think this guy looks between 25 and 35, so it would be in line with what I want. I want him to be indoors because this is a video game console that you don't take outdoors that much. And I'm just gonna click on next. Then the AI is gonna generate the storyboard. Now these are some of the videos that the software created. We can pick them out regarding different styles, transitions, or the tone of the video itself. We have to pick from this for the software to render one of them, and you can pick more than one for the software to render those on a batch. I want to pick this second one first, then a green screen effect one. When you have the free plan, as you see right here, the final product is gonna have a watermark, so you would need to subscribe to one of the paid plans for you to create a video that doesn't have the watermark. Let's just see the free ones, how they come out. So let's check out the first video that the software created.
Finally, a console that goes wherever my chaotic life takes me. Couch, coffee shop, or cross-country flight. Switch seamlessly between TV mode at home, tabletop mode at work, and handheld mode anywhere. Get yours today and never miss a gaming moment again.
So this is the first video that the software created. As you see, the mouth movement on the guy is very natural. The script is very short and concise. And all in all, it matches the product that we want to sell. Now let's check out the other one.
Finally, a console that goes wherever my chaotic life takes me. Couch, coffee shop, or cross-country flight. Switch seamlessly between TV mode at home, tabletop mode at work, and handheld mode anywhere. Get yours today and never miss a gaming moment again.
As you see, it's very similar to the other one, but it used some different images, some different music, and some different orientations of the subtitles. So they are in different places. And that is pretty much how you create a really fast product ad using this amazing software called Creatify. It took just a couple of seconds to take a product URL and then create a video out of it. You could even upload your own images or further edit the scripts that the AI proposes for them to match exactly what you want to say in your videos. And as with all the different softwares on this channel, I'm gonna make a 5-part video regarding this software, Creatify. This is just part number 1. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I really invite you to do so you don't miss out any of the further videos that we're going to make. I want to read all of your comments down below, and as always, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use the paid plans of this software as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and without further ado, see you on the next one. Bye bye.